All right, I'm going to make this super quick, and I just wanted to show you what one of these automated Excel reports looks like that gets data from ProLaw, and how much easier it is than trying to copy and paste data from ProLaw into Excel and then putting it up in Excel. So what I've done here is I've got this automated report. There's a couple of parameters here, so I've got my start date, my end date, and then I've got another parameter here. And this basically what this report is doing is it's looking at all the referred cases or cases that have been referred to this firm, and we're looking for who the forwarders, who the referrers are. So once I've got my parameters in there, I click the button. The report does all of the work, all the heavy lifting, so I don't have to do it. And in a couple seconds here, bang, we've got the data, and it gives us all the data that we have designed the report for, and it also gives us another variation for how we want to view the data. So super easy, super simple. Probably took about 10 seconds to generate all that data for an entire year's worth of referred cases. Really cool.